Ouch! Woo! It got so windy at night.
Wow, it did.
Holy crap. There was so many times when I felt like we were gonna take off, man. But now, why we camp at places like this? It's always about the view.
We are first getting out of our tent.
That sleeping bag kept me really warm last night, so it was awesome. Let's keep this zipped up so that nothing unwanted goes in. Good morning from Vagamon. My throat is gone because I've been in the blazing heat for, I don't know, 15-20 days. And yesterday I was in a thunderstorm and the craziest wind last night. It was howling the whole night. We're inside our tents and our tents are like all around. It felt like a million people were like hitting on the tent. A welcome relief from all the heat. The weather is so much nicer over here. And look at this place. This campsite, it's called the Orange Valley Group Vagamon, something like that. It's before Vagamon. It's about 10 kilometers before Vagamon when you're coming from Yellapara. The night was rough, but the morning is sunny. The sun is out and this place is gorgeous. This place is just gorgeous. Ooh, that's the coffee bell ringing. Our coffee master, chef at camp, is Mr. Nag.
Good morning.
So what we did, we actually planned really badly. I mean, can you even say planned really badly? We didn't plan. Right?
The plan was not to plan.
Yeah, the plan is always not to plan. But this was stupid because we were in Alleppey day before yesterday, getting the bike fixed and doing all of that. And then we had to do something at home. We were working on something at the place we were staying, so we didn't go out and buy supplies. We were told that there would be a strike yesterday, but then subsequently we were told that there would be no strike. The strike has been cancelled. So we thought, everything will sort it out tomorrow. Except the strike happened, the hartal as they call it. So we found nothing yesterday. So we didn't expect to camp, but we did camp because we were not going to say no to camping in a place like this. But we are terribly low on supplies.
So
there's no food, nothing around here. You need to go about.
this is all we have for now.
Last night dinner was one packet of biscuits that we had that we shared between the three of us and 2 cups of coffee. Thankfully, we found somebody here who could give us hot water and we filled up our flasks with hot water. So we had the hot water to make the coffee, but basically we haven't eaten. We haven't really eaten and ooh, look who's coming here! Here comes the tiger! What timing! Ouseph! Woo! Good morning! What's up? Nice and early, huh?
Nice place.
Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Last night was a bit brutal though.
Why is raining?
Oh man, like raining what? It was like blowing. It was blowing and it was just like non-stop rain.
Wow.
It was crazy.
I was wondering because they're also raining. There usually doesn't rain like that.
Yeah. Ouseph has come in the morning to show us some trails around here. I'm gonna go do some slight off-roading. Alright. Alright, Mr. Tiger.
You want to go first?
Also. Let's go. Ever since I started following Ouseph on social media, I'd wanted to one day ride some trails with him. So when we had to make a choice between visiting the popular tourist spots around Vagamon and kicking up some dust with a pro rider, first preference obviously went to the more unique experience. Oh yeah. It's just rock. A lot of us tend to search for adventure in faraway places and turn a blind eye to the opportunities available in our own backyard. Ouseph, on the other hand, is someone who has not only travelled for adventure, but also thoroughly explored the hills around where he lives. This is like Ladakh vibes in Kerala. And doing this on a Thunderbird is slightly hilarious because this bike is my butt is taking such a bad hit. Go where no Thunderbird has gone before. That is Faith's motto. Not that she has a choice, but I think she enjoys stretches like this. The visuals you're watching here should give you a fair idea of just how intense this route was. But what they don't fully show you is the steep angle of descent we encountered frequently, in addition to all the mud, rocks and gravel. While the adrenaline was pumping, focus had to be unwavering. Oh man, that was so good. But the way you like lock and you roll over rocks and you do it's just beautiful. Oh yeah. Whoa.
Who needs the engine?
Like it's always trying to follow over the bike because it's just this is that small little stone, no? That keeps rolling whatever you do.
Yeah.
This bike's sliding. On the brakes is sliding. On the engine is sliding.
And on this,
Yeah.
some places you can just quickly take it up that slope
Yeah.
and get it down.
Get it down.
But if that slope was also loose,
Yeah.
then you would just slide.
Yeah.
Whoa. Woo. Whoa. That had to happen once.
Well done.
Well done. I took a toss.
You did?
Yeah. I mean, nothing bad. Just like drop the front.
Oh.
I was trying to cross to get onto this side of the path, and it just caught in and just do you want?
Yeah, if you're doing that, you need to power it.
Yeah.
Come to this unknown, the suspension will take that.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
tire can climb up the edge.
Yeah, exactly. That's what happened. Oh, we came down from there.
Yeah.
That was brilliant. Never would have found this without you. Obviously.
Alright, glad to be of help. Glad to be of assistance.
Woo!
Well done. Oh my gosh.
How's that?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Challenging, amazing.
Everybody's just like pouring sweat.
It's just. Yeah. And at one point of time, my visor got all fogged up. I was like, what?
Should we go?
Yeah.
Come.
Now it's mainly this, some broken tarmac.
Cool.
I'll get to Mumbai and I'll take care of the pump.
Cool. Yep. It was virtually impossible for us to be able to go back up in the same route that we had come down. So we had to take the much longer and more civilized route to return to our campsite. It was a lot less fun, but at least this way, we managed to also get our first real meal in nearly 1.5 days somewhere along the way. We're all extremely exhausted post that fun ride down the mountain on that trail with Ouseph. It was just brilliant, but it took us a few hours to go down, and then it took us a few more hours to come back all the way up. So we're quite like dead, and we're in this beautiful place. So our agenda for today is to listen to good music and chill and just soak in this brilliant view. Tonight's dinner we have tuna. We had eggs delivered. So this is caretaker of this property, and he was like, "Oh, I'll go get you eggs," and he brought us eggs like that. Yeah. So we asked for 10. I think we've got like 5, 6 that we can use. And he just said, "There's oil over here, so you can use oil." None of us remembered that we're in Kerala, so it's coconut oil. So now our eggs are going to be cooked in coconut oil. It's pouring again. What do you think of the weather in Kerala?
Beautiful. As long as you're not in it.
A little bit of coconut oil.
We bring in the coconut oil here. Add more in this?
Enough. That coconut oil has a very strong flavor, by the way.
It does?
Yeah, you don't.
Oh, it smells like coconut. Woo! That's coconut, alright. Done, right?
Yeah.
What one?
Yep. That looks good. It's just thunder, lightning, rain, and fireflies tonight.